Well, have you ever wondered how they make this perfect soybean snack, just like you see it in the shops? It's very easy, so simple to make. So today I'll be showing you how to make it so that you can also make it at your own home. So welcome to my channel. If you're new, please kindly consider subscribing. Share this video to your family and friends. So let's start our video. So I'll just use this strainer and then drain out all the water, just like that. So now I'll go ahead and put it in the sun. So I'll let it stay here until it's dry. So we just keep on turning it to make sure that it dries up well. And there's a lot of sun today, so it's almost dry. So this is how they should be looking like after drying. They are wet on the inside, but there is no water. So this is just perfect. And so the easiest way of telling when the soybeans are ready, they all float on top, just like this. So I'll just scoop. So after removing every batch, you add some salt when it's still hot. I'll then add in another batch and then repeat the same process until I'm done with all my soybeans. Well, my last batch is also ready. So just as simple as that, you make yourself some perfect snacks. And just like that, we have our perfect snack. Just like you see it in the supermarkets, it's the way it is right here. It's very soft and crunchy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.